Hello, this is John with Think the Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to add a description to an item. This is necessary for online ordering. I recommend if you have an online ordering presence and you're using the Heartland online ordering feature that you add descriptions to your items. Otherwise, here's what you look at. Like for example, there's ribeye and T-bone. Oops, hit that. It may show the tags, but there's no description. So you don't know what comes with this or anything about the item. You don't know what ingredients are on these tacos, so on and so forth. You can use descriptions on the point of sale as well. I will show you what that looks like afterwards, but let's go ahead and look at how to add descriptions here. You're going to go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. You're going to go to the menu here at the top left, and then account menu, and then items. We're just going to add one to the ribeye dinner. I'm going to click on ribeye dinner, and then as soon as you get in the settings here for the item, you see description right here. You just type whatever the description is, and then once you type that in, you hit save. Make sure you get your save successful down there, and then publish changes. And then we're going to refresh our online ordering here and see what that looks like on here. Now when you come down to the ribeye dinner, you see the description, what it comes with. And then it also shows it up here when you select the item. Okay, now let's see what that looks like on the actual workstation. Okay, so now that we're on the workstation, let's start a ticket here. And you won't be able to see it on this view because the buttons are too small. But if you change the layout to this third one, it'll show the description of the items. Now you could also do this if you want to get creative. I've had requests for this before. If there's a way to add, for like a bar menu, if there's a way to add like the recipe for the drinks, so that the bartenders don't have to look it up, they can just see it here on the screen. So if you add the drink recipe here in the description, and then they ring up that, or they go to that category for the bar items for that drink, they can see the description there. So, but anyway, that's how you use descriptions. That's how you add them. I hope this video was helpful. That's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.